Okay, we're here at the trailhead for the Lenape Ridge Trail. Back there is Hawthorne Lake, and that's Raymond Road. Make sure you park at Raymond Road and not Ash Road that Google Maps might take you, because there's no parking there. You'll be parking in someone's driveway. Okay, I'm already lost. This guy hike is not starting out well. I think that's Ash Road. It's about an hour and 37-minute hike round trip. This is what they call an out and back trail, meaning you come out the way you came in. Some trails are loops, meaning you go around in a circle back to where you started. So this trail is 2.8 miles out and back. So that would make it about 1.4 miles each way. And somewhere along the hike, we will encounter a mini waterfall. I'm seeing over there another house. I used to turn. Okay, when you come to this intersection, make a left. And not too long after that, we are going to make a right somewhere. I have already missed 2 turns. The trails here are not very well marked. So right about here, we're going to make a right. After that short trail that didn't look like a trail, we're back to a somewhat more recognizable footpath. So we're back in business, hopefully. We're not far from Port Jervis. In fact, the end of this trail is the railroad that takes you to Port Jervis. There are plenty of other hiking trails around this area, but this one has the advantage of offering a mini waterfall, and I'll tell you all about it once I see it. What makes me a little bit apprehensive about this hike is that it's all downhill going there. We lose an elevation about 700 feet, and then on the way back, it's all uphill. We are going to be climbing 700 feet on the way back. I strongly recommend downloading All Trails app on your phone because it has the trail maps on it. As opposed to, say, using Google Maps. Google Maps will show you a big green area, which is supposed to be the state park that you're on, but it won't show you the trails. The All Trails app does. So if you make a wrong turn, like I did several times back there, then you can check All Trails, see how you can get back on the trail. Okay, we're coming up to a ridge. First time we see some sort of view. We go this way. I wonder what this structure is. Looks like a platform. It's all broken down now, as you can see. I just came from that way. As you can see, it's an incline, so we'll have to deal with that on the way back. Just keep that in mind. Yeah, I think I hear water now. I think we're getting close to the waterfall. I was seriously thinking whether I should stop going and head back, but I'm almost there. No point in stopping. I have to go all the way now. And there's the railroad tracks. There it is, small waterfall. So the waterfall is actually at the end of the trail, at the railroad track. Trying to find a way to get around to the waterfall. It's just too steep. I'm afraid I'm going to have to take pictures of the waterfall with tree branches in the way. All right, we made it. Let's make our way back. Also, with the Old Trails app, it marks the trail you left behind, so you can simply follow it on the way back. No more fears about getting lost. Pretty neat. You really need good hiking boots here in this trail. It's rated moderately challenging. I'm gonna put it more on the challenging side. Don't know if you can tell from my voice, but I'm exhausted and I still got quite a ways to go. Okay, and we're back. In case you're wondering why I put myself through all this, simple, because otherwise life would be boring.